Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create unlimited images with AI in CapCut. For this you need Capcut Pro, so unfortunately you must pay for it, but guys, it's very useful and actually it's very good. So let's see. First click on AI media and select AI image, then you can describe your image and it will generate it after you click on generate. You can also upload a reference image. For example, if you want to change something on an image, you can do so and upload it. But we are going to first describe our image. For example, let's type in Pikachu standing next to Ash and holding a Pokeball. Perfect. And then all we need to do is selecting our aspect ratio. For example, we want to have 16:9, or yes, very useful also 9:16 for shorts or TikToks. Let's go with 16:9 and click on generate. Then you need to wait a little bit, and as you already can see on the right side here, it's creating 4 different images. It doesn't mean they are different, it's just 4 options to choose from. You can also select all of them, but just select the one you like the most. So as you can see here, Pikachu holding a Pokeball next to Ash, so very precisely, right? You can also choose select another one. Here the colors maybe from Ash are not fitting very good, same as here, but still the image is correct, right, as we described. Also here looks like action mode, right? And yes, this from my point of view is the best. You can also write something else. Let's type something more realistic. Sports car in red. Oh, let's type in Porsche in black, driving high speed. In New York City. Cinematic view. I think you must try out what is the best, more details or not so many details, up to you, but I guess more details in an image, describing an image is better. Let's click on regenerate. So as you can see here, the images from before are not lost, still here, so don't worry. Wait a few seconds and then it should already generate them. Alright, this looks like New York City maybe, but it's rainy, right? We didn't mention rain in this describing, but let's see the other options. Alright, this looks very similar, well, but quite cool. Looks like a Porsche. Same as here, looks like a Porsche, very cool. I think this night view is very nice. And here looks like sunset, right? Also Porsche. Okay, almost perfect, but here looks like a O. But guys, from my point of view, this looks very nice and even almost correct written here. And what I also wanted to show you is the reference image feature right here. Click on it and then upload any image you want to change something or use as a reference to create something new. Just click on it, open it, and as you can see here, this image is totally 2D and I want to create it in or change it to 3D. Make the thumbnail 3D. So as easy as it is, aspect ratio 16:9, you can choose whatever you like and generate. Wait a few seconds and you will also receive 4 images to choose from. So guys, as you can see here, obviously 3D, even some structure here. Let's see the other one. Okay, this looks more clean. And yes, similar. Okay, the text is more black. And the last one. So choose whatever you like. Let's choose this one. All right. And yes, if you want to download this image, all you need to do is clicking on this hamburger icon here, export still frames, rename it, choose the folder for the save location. Yes, the resolution 1080p is fine, and for best quality PNG, export. And to compare both of these images, I'm gonna open them and bring them together. Open this, and you can see the yeah, in comparison 3D AI generated and 2D created by me with Canva. And guys, that's basically it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.